Turbocharged Toyota Camry, Part 30.
It's time to change the exhaust rear housing because of reasons. So we're going to use tools and we're going to swap the rear housing. We're going to undo the nuts and bolts, remove the oil lines just so they're not in the way. Take the bolts off the core, which connects the core to the exhaust housing. Downpipe removal. One-handed mechanic. Add it again. These little bottom bolts are pretty damn hard to get to. I'm going to loosen them up and then clock the housing. That way I can undo them properly. Oil leak? No good. Oh well. Here's the size comparison. An assortment of nuts and bolts. And here's the 106 size rear housing going on. However, the alignment is out and the pipe doesn't fit. We'll have to make another downpipe. I decided to give it one last rev on this pipe.
It kind of sounds like an old tugboat.
So remaking the downpipe took quite a long time. Had to remake this little section here. Has to be done on the car because good luck marrying the pipe up otherwise. A lot of cutting, test fitting, and cutting and test fitting. Then we've got to weld it on the car as well, otherwise it's never going to fit. So we welded it on the car. Just tacking it in place, of course. And then removing the pipe and finishing the job properly. And so there it is, the 106 AR rear exhaust housing fitted. Now it's time for
secret exhaust!
So I have a flap, and this flap's not really ideal. Basically it opens too early, which means it'll be too loud too soon. So I cut it open and I'm going to remove the spring. So I'm going to have to come up with some sort of idea to get it back together. So there you can see there I made some sort of bracket thing. So it's got no spring, it's just the diaphragm pressure pretty much. With any vacuum it'll stay closed, but with boost it'll open. This took quite a long time. So this is the Y splitter for the valve. That was all grinded with an angle grinder. Whoops. That was intentional. Many hours to get that shape. Time to cut the same shape hole in the exhaust and stick it on there. Welding. Stainless tip. Give it a lick of paint. And it's done. Enjoy.
Thank you for watching, and good day.